Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bathroom clear shelf on the market, the upsimples 4-pack acrylic floating shelves. If you're looking for a sleek, modern, and versatile way to organize your space, these clear acrylic shelves might just be the perfect addition to your home. Right out of the box, these shelves impress with their clean, minimalist design. Made from thick, durable acrylic, they offer a high level of transparency that lets your displayed items take center stage without the shelf itself getting in the way visually. Measuring 15 inches wide, 4 inches deep, and 2 inches high, these shelves are ideal for holding a variety of items, from bathroom essentials to decorative pieces, toys, or collectibles. One of the biggest advantages of these shelves is their space-saving design. By mounting on your wall, they free up valuable counter or floor space and help keep your room looking neat and organized. Whether you want to store skincare products in your bathroom, showcase collectible items in a kid's room, or keep spices and small kitchen accessories accessible, these shelves offer a practical solution. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled holes and included mounting hardware. The package comes with screws, wall anchors, and plastic spacers, plus detailed instructions, making it easy to securely mount the shelves in just a few minutes. Once installed, each shelf can support up to 8.8 pounds, which means they're strong enough to hold heavier items without worrying about damage or sagging. Another thoughtful feature is the raised lip on the front edge of each shelf. This prevents items from sliding off accidentally, which is especially useful if you're placing smaller or delicate objects on display. The edges are also smoothly finished, ensuring safety and a polished look. In terms of style, these floating shelves bring a modern touch with their glossy acrylic finish. Their transparent nature allows them to blend seamlessly into any room's decor, making them suitable for the bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, or even an office. They don't compete with your decor but rather complement it by highlighting what you choose to put on them. The upsimples 4-pack acrylic shelves come in a convenient set of 4, which means you can create multi-layer storage walls or spread them throughout your home to meet different needs. This flexibility makes them an excellent value for anyone looking to maximize wall space efficiently. Maintenance is simple. Just wipe them down with a dry cloth to keep them looking crystal clear and dust-free. Their waterproof nature also means they stand up well in humid environments like bathrooms or kitchens without any worries about damage. In summary, if you want a set of sturdy, elegant, and highly functional clear shelves that can adapt to multiple rooms and uses, the upsimples acrylic floating shelves are an excellent choice. They combine durability, style, and practicality in a package that's easy to install and maintain. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your storage game with these clear acrylic shelves, check out the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.